Bill Goudy checking in. You know what time it is. Look at the goodness. It reached, I don't know, I think it was 72 today. Yeah. Look at this neck knife. Crawdaddy Forge, EV Crawfish. He made this for me. Neck knife, striker, bottle opener. Oh, man. Look at that, will ya? I'll leave his link down below. It doesn't take long for those frosted mugs to get defrosted, does it? Not when it's 72 out. I got a rip-roaring fire going over there. I am so tired. Yeah. Man. Wow, is that good. I've had a long day. I want something easy to cook tonight. And I think I had a request from Brian Rogowski for fish tacos. You know, and I just happened to think I had some fresh fish the other night. I didn't bring you along on that, but I got some catfish I did in a 3-2-1 coating. Yeah, fresh catfish. Virgil caught them. I think he caught 7 catfish and there was 35 pounds total. Anyway, I cooked some fillets in the cast iron. I and I had a little bit left over. So I got to looking. I got no avocados, so I can't make an avocado dip or any of that stuff. So what I think I'm going to do is I got mushrooms and peppers, sweet peppers, some bell peppers, red and yellow and green, and garlic, of course, and the fish, and some shredded lettuce, and some smoked cheddar cheese. It is just awesome. It was on sale, and oh my goodness, it is good. So I got that smoked cheddar cheese, and I got some mozzarella. So, you know, I think I got everything I can, have for tacos. I think that's just what I'm going to... I got the low-carb soft taco shells, and so I'm just going to warm up that fish and just pan fry and soften up those peppers a little bit, and I'm just going to scoop them on. Just check it out. Check it out, will you? Here's what you're going to need. Cast iron pan. I got my peppers and butter and everything all in one container here. Got my shredded lettuce. Yeah, lettuce is on this last leg. I got to use it up. I got my garlic. I'm not going to add that till the very end because I don't want to cook it very much. I like it more raw and more garlic flavor. I got my carb balance, low carb soft shell taco shells. Let's get to cooking, shall we?
It's for as little as $29 each way. Throw in free parking and the cash will save on gas. And boom, you're on the Happy Flyer team. For a faster trip and easy connection, book your flight starting working in this exciting environment. Apply in person today.
Look at the colors. This is my previously cooked catfish. I'm just going to throw it right in there with those peppers and warm it up. I'll chop it up too. Several cloves of garlic sliced fairly thin. I'm going to add to it now. Oh, I love that smell of that garlic. Okay, let's build these bad boys. Oh man, does that smell good? Look at that. They get some cheese on there. Some lettuce and some cheese. And some Texas Pete. Look at this. Look what's in here. Smoked cheddar cheese. I grated it myself. Oh, smoky goodness. Mozzarella. Oh yeah. Shredded lettuce. I don't have a tomato. It's too early for the garden. Ah, but I got Texas Pete. It's got tomato in it. Oh, look at that. I'm so hungry. Oh. Let's dig in, shall we? I don't know what happened to that last footage, but I didn't get the first part of my digging in. Oh man, is this good? Not only do I get the smokiness from my campfire, I get the smokiness from that cheddar cheese. So good. I get the Texas Pete coming through and the garlic. Oh, the garlic, so good. I'm so hungry. Gotta wash it down. A vessel of amber fluid. Thank you, Brian. That was an excellent idea. I did a fish taco video several years ago, and it was good then. I think my friend Juanillo inspired that. Brian Rogowski, and his link is down below. He doesn't make any videos that I know of, but he sure is a good subscriber. He sure is. And he makes some good suggestions as well. Gotta go. Got so much work to do tomorrow. Supposed to be another nice day. Thank you for watching. I surely do appreciate it. Bill Goudy out.